What is the GDR plan? And no, we're not talking about compliance with emails. And why does it matter to your agency? In this Whiteboard Wednesday, we're going to dive in and find out. Hi, I'm Sam Ashdown and I run the AJ Mastermind together with my co-host Phil, who is not here today, so solo episode of the Whiteboard Wednesday. And today we're talking about the GDR plan, which he thought was a bit of a pun, but he's not as funny as he thinks he is. Let's go through it. GDR simply stands for Growth, Delivery, Results. GDR, you see? See what we did there? Now, the important thing to remember about GDR plan is it's like a wheel, a flywheel. And what you really want is to get momentum with it. And what happens when agents come to us because they need to grow their agency and they've stalled, or they feel that they're a bit stuck, or they've lost motivation, they can't seem to get into enough houses or the right kind of houses, is they're stuck here in growth. Because if you fill your diary with the right kind of vowels, actually everything else pretty much takes care of itself. So what happens is that by using the right lead generation, which is direct mail, social media and content for us, it might be different for you, it might be Facebook ads or SEO or Google ads, whatever it is, that then gets you the momentum of getting through the door in the first place. Once you're through the door and you've managed to get the beautiful instructions that you really, really want and crave, then what happens then is you get a chance to demonstrate your expertise in marketing those beautiful, beautiful homes. So you've got brochures and styling and copywriting and your bespoke boards, maybe videos, all the lovely things that you want to be known for in your agency and sell homes more effectively. Now that is marketing in itself, because even though it's property marketing, it's also agency marketing. So that flywheel is starting to get some traction. Once you've got those beautiful homes on the market and you start to get offers, by the way, there's no better marketing than a sold sign outside a house. What happens then? You've got social proof, you get referrals, you get recommendations, you get testimonials, you get case studies, because this is proof of your promises. It's proof that you can do what you said you were going to be able to do. So that is your reputation. And then what happens then is next time you send out a letter here, your reputation gives that letter some more weight. It gives it a bit of a boost so people believe you more when you talk in your letter about your credible results. And then so it goes round and round. So if you are stalled, you are probably stalled here. So you need to get that moving first of all. And if you're interested in joining the AJ Mastermind, of course, this is something that we provide for all our members. 16 letters a year, 4 quarterly non-letters not on market, and 12 monthly on the market letters. Also, if you'd like the opportunity to come and see us in person, meet me and Phil, ask us anything, have a delicious lunch, see behind the scenes of AshdownJones, learn exactly how we do this and lots more besides, then we'd like to invite you to come along to an event here at AJHQ, actually in this very room. So all you need to do is go to ajmastermind.co.uk/events, or there might be a link somewhere on this, depending on where you're watching it, and we look forward to seeing you here very soon. There's only one agent per area in the room, and we only have 12 seats because it's actually not that big a room. So if you want to get on it, you need to get on it quick, and you'll get first dibs on your seat here. So look forward to seeing you at one of those events, and thank you very much for watching this Whiteboard Wednesday video with me, Sam Ashdown. See you soon. Bye.